R1. This is a resolution authorizing the municipal councilor to confess judgment without admitting liability in the case of Campbell v. City of OKC. Staff does not believe we need a executive session, but it looks like someone has signed up to speak, so maybe we'll begin there. Michael Washington.
2900 Northeast 18th Street. I believe this is an issue regarding Daniel Holtzclaw. Am I correct? I didn't hear anyone. Am I correct, everyone? Thank you. Here it is. We have a monster now serving 263 years where he belongs, actually up under the Oklahoma State Penitentiary. Now, according to my investigation of this entire situation here, again, I must say that I was one of the most influential ones to make sure that guy got what he deserves. But now, even though it's not admitted in your pamphlets here or applications, I don't see anything regarding how much money that this facility, this horseshoe community here is going to recommend with respect to not accepting liability. However, this is, I believe, a resolution expecting to give the victim a compensation, which I believe is $25,000. Are y'all kidding me? According to my investigations of it, there's no kind of way when you have, I believe, a cap of $175,000 for a monster here who was not only a rapo, who was not only victimized innocent black women, but he clearly was a racist because he didn't rape, and again, I'm glad he didn't, any other nationality of woman. I believe that $25,000 is a slap in the face and a joke to what this lady here deserves. As a matter of fact, it should be an exemplary of what can be expected of any other officer or anyone else who violate the privacy and rights of a woman's personal being without their permission. And especially when you have a police officer, a former police officer, who for the most part, who terrorized the northeast side of Oklahoma City. Again, $25,000, y'all kidding me? That doesn't even scratch the surface of the emotional trauma that this lady has gone through. I don't know whether she's had to have any kind of therapy sessions or whatever, but I tell you something, I mean, this is really, she should be given the max what's allowed under the statutes of Oklahoma. And also closing here, I would like to be myself to be the first one to say, I am at least glad that even though not admitting, which is, again, this is standard procedure when it comes to legal avenues, that this council will be taken up in consideration of this lady's trauma that she's gone through. And I hope that y'all will be able to look at other areas where I think there are other 13 women that were raped. I don't know what steps they're taking because I'm not into their personal business, but anytime they come before the city council, you can best believe Michael Washington's gonna give his 2 cents worth. So again, thank y'all very much. And again, y'all should give this woman, not because she's black, but because she's a human being, and you had a man who had a job to be a civil servant who decided he's gonna be a monster instead. So again, anybody who comes for something like that should be held accountable. Again, I believe $175,000 should be given to this lady, Ms. Campbell, and any other lady that may come before you who's been raped viciously by state or city employees. Thank y'all very much and have a great day.